Hey guys, welcome back to Couch Money Madness. Terry Stone here. I'm trying out a new microphone, see how it works, so leave in the comments below. Tell me what you think about it. It's the new blue Snowball, I believe is what it's called. Pretty cool. Just got the basic black. Didn't want any of the special colors or anything like that. I'm trying out a new webcam. No, it's like last one was on my Android phone. This one's on an actual webcam. It's called Villador or Yillador. Alright guys, so as I promised, I will be doing videos on Mondays and Fridays. Just a heads up front. On Fridays I will start doing live videos if I can get some more subscribers. I'm not going to do live videos if I don't have anybody or if I only have one or two. Sorry guys, but I've got to have enough to make it worth doing a live one for. So if I can get enough subscribers, that means share this video, share my link, get more people to subscribe, and I'll be more than happy to go live with you guys, answer questions as we're doing things while I'm showing you how to make money from your couch. As you can see behind me, I am sitting on my couch in my living room. Got my pictures of the family, all that good stuff. Alright, so let's get into this, guys. Today I am going to... Let's start at this. What I'm going to do is, on my videos, I'm going to pick 1 to 2 things to show you how to make money online from your couch. That way I can kind of get more in depth about it. Some things I will be using myself. Some things I've seen other people use. Some things I have no clue about, guys. And I'm just doing research on it, and I'm trying to help you guys out. What my goal with this channel is to help you guys find ideas to be making money at home. So you don't have to be working at the 9-to-5 grind. You can spend more time with your family. You can take vacations when you want to, things like that. Now, when stuff starts working for me, I will be more than happy to share them with you. That way you guys get ideas that are proven from me to work. Alright, guys. So please bear with me. Like I said, I'm just giving you some ideas, and let's get into it. So the first one we are going to go to, let me get into my screen here. And the first one I wanted to teach you guys was what they call launch jacking. Here, I'm going to bring this back up because I need to explain that one. I know some people know what launch jacking is, but some people don't. So let me explain it in a nutshell. It's picking products off of JVZoo or Warrior Plus. Some items that are coming out right onto the market. You know, boom, here we are. And releasing a video on YouTube, Vimeo, places like that. And doing a review on the item and stuff like that. That way you can get sales right when the product comes out. That's pretty much in a nutshell what launch jacking is. So let me show you how it's done, guys. Alright, so the place I go to find out where items are, what items are coming out on Warrior Plus and JVZoo is muncheye.com. Let's get that to load up here. Alright, this is the area that I always go to check things out. Do you see how here it is? It has 2 sides to it. Oh. Let's go back down. Sorry, guys. It has 2 sides. You have big launches and you have all launches. Personally, I'm not saying you can't go for it, but personally, I would stay away from the big launches when you're first starting because they're more of the really big, renowned, known people in the JVZoo, Warrior Plus places. And they usually only accept affiliates that have a proven track record. So there's a lot more competition with the big guys and things like that. Now if you go to all launches, there are some launches on here, the majority of them, where smaller, vendors that are starting out, things like that, that you have a lot less competition and a lot more chance to sell things. Now I'm not saying when you first begin that you can't make money in the big guys. I'm telling you right now, I did it with Traffic Lays. I got a few sales with them, and I played with the big boys like John O. Armstrong, Dan Ashendorf, Trevor Carr, and people like that. And I still got a few sales. So, I'm not saying you can't do it, but I do recommend staying over here. So, if you go through here, you'll see how the dates go from January 22nd, and they go down, 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 February, March, April, May, June, July, August, all the way through December. We've pretty much got the whole year planned out here, guys. That's what I love about this. Alright, so what you guys are going to do, if you look over here, you'll see JV Zoo, Warrior Plus, some of this other stuff here, ClickBank. ClickBank's in the running again. I haven't seen them in a while, that's why I didn't mention them, but ClickBank is another good one to work with. There's one on here, I don't see them anymore, so we're good there. Alright, so let's say you're looking through the list. Personal preference, I don't try to promote anything over $30, and I don't try to promote anything under $15. Only because sometimes it's 100% commission, sometimes it's 50%. If it's 50% commissions, then you definitely don't want to go under 15 because it's going to take a lot of sales to make any money, guys. Alright, let's see here. See, so you can see that here. Let's say right here. Mark Bishop. Continue. Not quite sure I pronounced that right. We'll see what happens. He's selling it front end at $17, and you'll make a 50% commission every time you sell the front end. Now that's not including the upsells and things like that. You can click on it. We'll check it out. As a matter of fact, let's go ahead and do that now. Let's check it out. This is not something I'm promoting, guys, so just so you know right now. This is on Warrior Plus. You make 50% commission. You got a JV, what they call a JV page. What this is the vendor makes a page for the JV Zoo and Warrior Plus affiliates. It's your own page. You can go check it out. Do not do your promotions on it. It's not for everybody out in the public to see. This is just for you as an affiliate to get some information on the product, what it's going to be selling for, possibly, and different things. So right here, as you can see, now personal preference might be something you want to keep an eye on. I do not promote anything that does not have a sales page ready and a JV Zoo page ready. Because if they don't have these ready and we get close to launch, that tells me that they're procrastinating, and that's not someone I want to promote. Okay, guys? So let's check out the JV page. Click it here. Sorry about the wait, guys. Just internet's really slow. Come on. Alright, so this is the JV page for us. Alright, instant 100% unique content monetization. This is what it's going to be about. Make up to 174 in-funnel sales. So what they're saying is you can make a total of $174 if you sell the front end and all the upsells. That's not bad at all. And $4,500 in JV cash prizes. JV cash prizes is where the vendor holds contests and the affiliates, whoever sells the most, there's a leaderboard, and if you hit first place, you get the first place money, second place, you get second place money, and down. It's pretty cool if you're known in the community. I don't usually go off those lists right now because, I'm not as well known as some of these guys, but as soon as I am well known, I'll definitely be in running for contests. Alright, let's see. Explode your PayPal account. January 22nd. Let's see. Yes. So it will be launching in the U.S. at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. If you're like me, Arizona time, that is going to be 9 a.m. in the morning. Alright, and it's going to be launching at 4 p.m. in the UK GMT time. Alright, guys. Let's check it out. This tells you a little bit about the product. I'm really not going to read all this stuff, guys, because I don't want this video to be really long. But you can just check it out. There's some things on here. Just gives me some testimonials. There's a blog trick. Let's see. Synergistic. Wow. Alright. Demo features. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff, guys. So when you're going through all this stuff and you're checking it out, you're eventually going to want to get a link. But before that, which was up here, it says JVs, click here. Sign up to receive launch updates. So what this is you can put in your email address and first name. Yes, you do get put on their email list. I hate to tell you guys, I mean, nothing in the internet marketing niche. I mean, everything you have going on in there, you're going to end up on a list or two. I mean, you can always unsubscribe. That's not a problem. unsubscribe, people don't bother with you, and you don't get those emails anymore. But if you put your email address and your first name and you sign up, you'll get emails to your email address with any updates on the launch. So let's say something happened and the launch date had to be pushed back. Well, if you didn't do this, you wouldn't know that, and you'd go to ready to promote it, and your link wouldn't work. Where if you put in your email address and your name, you would have gotten an email that said, hey guys, something happened. We're having to push the date to this date, so don't promote the product until this date. And then you would know about it, and then your link would work. Alright, speaking of the link, if you go here to click here for your Warrior Plus affiliate link, you click that, it's going to take you to Warrior Plus. I might have to sign in, I'm not sure. Yeah. Actually, you know what? Yes, I am going to have to sign in, so let me sign in. Sorry, guys. Should have been prepared for that one. But here it is. So you're going to request approval, okay? Alright, so this is where you're going to go for approval. So this is new in Warrior Plus. Recently this year, because there's some issues going on with PayPal, they're locking up JVZoo and Warrior Plus affiliates and vendor accounts if you're not meeting certain criterias, if you're going against their terms of service, all kinds of reasons. So Warrior Plus made what they call Warrior Plus Wallet. Okay, or you can get paid by your PayPal link if you feel comfortable that you're not going against terms of service, things like that. Personally, I know I don't go against PayPal's terms of service, but I don't like to be paid through PayPal a lot, so I choose Warrior Plus Wallet. Now on here, I'm not going to officially request this link because I don't do a lot of launch jacking right now. I am going to get back into it, so you are going to have more competition, guys. I'm just trying to show you exactly what I did when I was in launch jacking. In the request notes, you can put in your name. You know, I'm requesting for a link. I'm going to promote your product through YouTube or through your website or social media, any social media platform that you use. Please put it in those notes so that the vendor knows. I will say this, if you don't have a lot of sales under your belt, they may decline you. That's only because they want to make sales in the beginning. They have stats they have to hold up to be able to keep selling on JVZoo and Warrior Plus. So don't take offense to it if they do deny you. Just try to get some evergreen products, which are products that were released in the past. Try to get some sales under your belt and then try this out. Okay, guys? I started out brand new, and I've been denied plenty of times, but I've also been accepted plenty of times too. So I'm not saying you can't. I would suggest do launch jacking. You know what I mean? It's really, really good. But the way I got approved for most of my links is I used a system like I'm using here with you guys. I took my screen. I simply did this. I looked in the camera and I said something like this. Mr. Bishop, hi, my name's Terry Stone. I'm a brand new affiliate. I'm trying to get my name out there. I really want to start making sales so I can move up in the ranks. I was looking to promote your product because I really like what I see. I really believe in the product, and I would really like to sell some products, for some of your product for you. I'm going to be using YouTube mainly because I believe in video marketing 100%. I'll be using some Facebook traffic as well. Might go to Instagram. I'm not quite sure. I will not be using Twitter because I know Twitter traffic is not that great. I've worked with people like John L. Armstrong, Brandon Mace, Dan Ashendorf. I've learned from the best, so I'm just trying to get my name out there. Will you please accept my request? If not, I do understand. I do hope you have a wonderful day. I stop the video. I send it to the email list. So let's see if we can find his info. Okay, so that would be the video I make. Close this out. We'll go back to here. We'll keep going all the way down to the bottom. And if he has his info, like most of them do... Oh, he does not. Okay, well, let's go to the sales page then. So what we will do is we'll hit the go back button. We'll go back to Muncheye. And let's see, we'll visit sales page. Alright, let's see if I can get his info off of here. I wasn't aware there was a bonus, so let's go ahead and continue on. It's weird. That must be something new or something that he might just be doing to be unique. Some vendors do that. Alright, here we go. Here's the sales page. So let's scroll down. Usually, wow. I don't have any of their info on here. That's a little weird. Brand new. Alright, so here's a blog. His blog. You could possibly copy that, put it in your web browser, go to his blog, see if there's a contact me. Also, just look up Mark Bishop in Facebook. You know, private message him, send the video to him, see if he responds. Maybe go to his page. Now, don't stalk the guy. Don't leave message after message. Just leave 1 or 2 messages. You know, letting him know that you're interested. If he doesn't reply back, so be it. Move on to the next item. If he does reply back, awesome, great, grand, wonderful. Hopefully he approved you, and that'll be that. Alright guys, so I know I promised you 2 things today, but I kind of wanted to go into detail with this one, because launch jacking, there's a lot to it. There's still a lot more to it, and I will teach that in another video, and I will link to it, to this video, when I make that video, so that you can watch both videos at once, kind of get a refresher one on this one, and then finish up the other one. Alright guys, so as I said, my name is Terry Stone. You have been watching my channel called Capture Money Madness. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you on Friday. Have a great night, guys. Brother, it's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.